in Punta Gorda, Florida, snake handler David Weathers spends hours each day honing his skills. His snakes are housed in a shed behind his home. He's preparing for a show the following day, stacking boxes of snakes to load into his truck. This monocled Cobra is the last to load. His father and a friend record the process on videotape. This is the actual footage from that night.
Absolutely had no idea that anything was going to happen. He'd packed up everything else. This was either the last or the next last snake to go. I had no idea that anything was going to happen with this snake.
Not that short. Let's see. Long enough.
Just enough to get through your shirt. You think you had that shirt?
I'm gonna take a shirt on.
Oh boy.
Snake wrangler David Weathers has been bitten by a deadly cobra.
I'm bit. We gotta go to the hospital.
Got venom in there?
Yeah, I squeeze a lot out. Yeah, I got a severe pain in my stomach because that's where I got bit, right in the stomach.